Hi, in this video, I'll show you how the platform looks for a learner on a mobile device. To log into the Academy, the learner enters their email address and password on the login page or uses one of the available authentication methods. Next, I need to fill in the welcome pop-up as it is active for this Academy. After logging in, the learner is taken to the courses page. The mobile version also includes a navigation menu. From the navigation menu, learners can quickly access the main sections of the platform: the courses page, exams page, meetings, video interviews, news, and gift shop. They can also go to their profile page, see their results and rating, go to the settings of the profile, see their awards, and go to the checklists. Next, they have a page with the notifications from the platform, from administrators of your academy. They can see their calendar, bookmarks, the saved content they saw in the courses. They can enable night mode and log out of the academy. Custom navigation tabs might be displayed. This means you can add additional sections or links to the menu that are specific to your academy. For example, it can be corporate website or corporate knowledge base. At the top of the page, there is also a search option that allows learners to quickly find the content they need. And for quick access to important information, learners can also use checklists. Now let's open the course and see what it looks like on the mobile device. Inside the course, the learner can see the lessons with all the settings configured by administrators. The content automatically adapts to the screen size. To open the course outline and see their progress, the learner needs to click on the arrow on the top left corner. Here they can see the course name, their progress, and see the names of other lessons or navigate to other lessons if you enable the non-linear option. Learners can also take quizzes and exams from a mobile device, including or available question types. So the platform main features are also available on mobile devices, allowing learners to study conveniently regardless of which devices they use. I hope that helped, and good luck with your academy.